3 more overs left and the writing is on the wall. Halabhavan was come in. Manikuttan was out, completely bowled by Rahul. They haven't just got going, isn't it? Another good ball and a thick inside edge. Scamper for 1 run will take them to 94. Tell you what, Sabah, their net run rate has taken a beating.
Yes, that's the thing to worry here, the Kerala strikers. The margin of defeat will bring the net run rate down, and more so because in the end at least one spot will be decided through net run rate. So it is so imperative for them to at least try and close down that margin, and they have not been able to do so. A good delivery from Abhimanyu. Still 154 runs behind. They couldn't utilize the power play overs today, the strikers. Kept losing wickets at regular intervals.
It's just a question of time now. The Karnataka Bulldozers will be winning this game. And 2.3 overs left. And this man will be a proud man at the end of this game. Sudeep, such a big name in the Kannada film industry. He's been very active behind the stumps. Every time he's collected the ball, he's tried to hit the stumps back. He's bowled him. It's all over now. Well, beautifully bowled. They have been spot on ever since they started this game.
This is devastating for the strikers. One more wicket falls. Completely baffled here by the bowler. It is Riaz Khan. Will have to go back. So the 9th wicket falls. The Bulldozers, they are a happy lot here. 95 for 9. Riaz Khan goes back after scoring 9. So the big man is here, the superstar from the south. It's Mohanlal who'll take strike. So after 18 is 95 for 9.